Hi everybody. We sure do miss you and can't wait to see you in a few weeks, but until then, I decided to make a sensory video for you guys to play with at home. Today we're going to be making sugar sand. It's just cornstarch, sugar, a little water, and some food coloring, and it makes for a great sensory activity to play with at home. So the first thing you're going to use is a food processor that you're going to pour all the ingredients into. Obviously this is for mom and dad to do, not for the kids, but it's fun to watch it all blend together. So the first thing is, on mine it's a smaller one, so I'm just going to use 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. But if you have a bigger one, you can do up to 2 parts sugar, 2 parts cornstarch. Pour all that in there. And then the sugar. And then you're going to blend it together until it gets to be like a sand consistency. So just keep blending until it's a good consistency, just where everything's mixed. And then you want to add just a little bit of water to get it wet. Not too much, because if you do, it'll ruin the consistency of it. And then a couple of drops of food coloring, whatever color you want to use. We used green today because we're putting dragonflies in it. Put the lid back on and mix it up. Open it up and you can see I need a little bit more food coloring to make it a little more green. Add a little bit more water too. Always add a little bit of water at a time, just so you don't ruin the consistency and make it too sticky. Cornstarch can be very sticky. I think we're about ready to add it to what we have in the sensory tub already. As you can see, this one came out very gritty, so it's a lot of fun to crush between your fingers. Great for a fine motor activity. Pour it in and mix it up in the container. Add it to what we have. And you can add some sifters, some cups. For this one, we added some dragonflies because we're still learning about bugs this month. So this month we added some dragonflies because we are learning about bugs. And it's fun to hide them down into the sand so that your kids can dig in and find them. So, and with a sifter, they can kind of sift through and find things. It's also almost moldable because of the cornstarch. So that's all for today. And as always, when you finish up with your messy sensory play, don't forget to wash your hands. 2 pumps of soap. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash them every day. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash your germs away. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash them every day. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash your germs away. Make sure you get all those germs. That's all for today. Like I said, we sure do miss you guys and can't wait to see you in a few weeks. Keep having fun, keep playing, and we love you, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.